welcome back at another Just Sawdust workshop. The next project with something that came from the attic. During the shop sign that I was painting, I discovered all the old brushes and paints I've got. My uncle used to be a coach painter, so he used to do lettering and pinstriping, and as a young kid learned a lot from him. We did a lot of things together, especially when we came in the age of driving a moped. Of course, they had to be customized with pinstriping and things like that, and I used to sell that at school, but I didn't do it myself. I brought it to my uncle, and he would do it like in 5 minutes, have all the pinstripes on. But I've got most of his materials, and I thought, now I've got everything together, I'm gonna make a nice little box to put everything in. And I found that old trunk in the attic, and I'm trying to do my best to keep the trunk as it is, so old and damaged and like it's been, ever there. It is an old trunk, but so I'll just see what I can make from this. But before I go on with this project, I just worked on this little chandelier out of old spoons. You don't see that on our YouTube channel, these kind of things I do together with my wife Miriam, being creative. But if you are a Patreon, then you see those videos coming up every now and then, some personal information, and for just, well, what's it, €2 a month or something, become a Patreon and you will see a lot more projects than you see on the video channel. But that's just a tip, and I would appreciate to have a bit more Patreons. So, but let's get on with this. it all works. We've got 5 drawers, a little door so I can put bigger things in here, like old stuff that hasn't been opened for like 50 years but still usable, like this homemade boiled oil to protect your brushes. We'll see. And then I want to put some hinges on here so I can swivel them when you take brushes out, but I think I just leave them in like this so I can take them out. That's much easier. And then close it up. Still have to make some kind of a lock on here, and still have to do something with the back. But the base is ready, and it isn't finished at all. There's gonna be a lot more done to it, but for now this video is already taking up, I don't know, 14-15 minutes. So we're going to finish this one in the next video and really making a painter's box out of it with some more features, and well, of course we have to give it a style, whatever. So for now, all I can say, as always, uit de logo.